In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an expense in Expensify. If you've recorded something by mistake or a duplicate slipped in, deleting the expense keeps your reports clean and accurate. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, and along the way, I'll share a few tips so you know what to expect. Start on the home page of Expensify. From here, look to the left sidebar and choose Reports. This takes you to the area where you manage report-related items. Next, switch over to the Expenses view. This shows your individual transactions in a list, making it easy to spot what needs to go. At the top of the Expenses view, you'll see a search bar and filter options. Use this space to quickly narrow things down. You can type a merchant name, a dollar amount, or keywords like a category or tag. Filtering by date can be especially helpful if you remember roughly when the charge was created. If your list is long, take a moment to refine it. Finding the exact entry now prevents deleting the wrong item later. Once you've located the expense you want to remove, click on it to select it. You'll notice that when an expense is selected, a toolbar appears above the list with actions you can take. Look for the option labeled Selected. This menu groups bulk actions, even if you're only working with a single item. Click Selected to open the choices, then choose Delete. Expensify will ask you to confirm. This is your last checkpoint to make sure you've picked the correct expense. Read the prompt carefully, confirm that the details match the item you intended to remove, and then click Delete again to finalize. The expense will be removed from your list immediately. A few quick notes to keep things smooth. Deleting an expense is permanent, so if you just need to fix a detail like the category or memo, consider editing the expense instead of removing it. If the expense is part of a submitted, approved, or closed report or governed by a company policy, you might not see the delete option until that report is reopened or the status changes. Also, if you accidentally selected more than one item, you'll see the count in the toolbar. Double check before you confirm. And that's it. Go to Home, head into Reports, open Expenses, search to find the right entry, select it, use the selected menu, choose Delete, and confirm. Follow these steps anytime you need to tidy up your expense list and keep your reporting accurate.